How to switch from Xfinity to Mint Mobile. Step 1. Check your phone compatibility with Mint. This can be done easily by using Mint Mobile's compatibility checker. Step 2 is to select a Mint Mobile plan. Choose a plan that suits your offerings. You can start with a 3-month plan to test their service. 3. Obtain necessary info from Xfinity Mobile. Locate your account number from your bill invoice or by contacting Xfinity. Get the porting PIN by navigating to devices in Xfinity and choosing the number you want to transfer. You will receive your PIN via text. In the 4th step, activate your Mint Mobile SIM. Enter the 11-digit code found on the back of your SIM card or email if you are using an eSIM. After selecting to transfer your existing number, you need to provide your Xfinity mobile account number, your porting PIN and billing zip code associated with Xfinity mobile account. During activation, select the option to transfer your existing number. Finally, wait for number transfer completion.